Chronic dryness, eczema, or dermatitis aren't just skin conditions. They're signs of a weak skin barrier. When your barrier breaks down, your skin can't hold moisture or protect itself from irritants, leading to constant dryness, redness, and irritation. Most products only give temporary relief. Real healing needs ingredients that repair at a deeper level. In this video, we're going to talk about sea buckthorn oil. It is one of the most nutrient-rich plant oil in the world. Its strength lies in its unique nutrient profile. It has omega fatty acids, 3, 6, 9, and 7. Omega 7 is especially powerful. It signals the skin to repair itself, reduce inflammation, and rebuild the barrier. It also has antioxidants like carotenoids and lycopene. These give the oil its unique bright orange color and fight free radicals that cause premature aging. Vitamin C and E, essential for collagen production and protection from environmental damage. So, this isn't just a moisturizer. It's a therapeutic oil that restores and strengthens the skin. Not all sea buckthorn oil are equal. Their effectiveness depends on purity and their processing. Our oil is 100% wild and organic, sourced straight from the pristine Karakoram mountains, where harsh conditions make the plant produce even more bioactive compounds. It is also cold pressed, which means this oil is extracted without any heat to prevent delicate fatty acids and vitamins. It's unrefined and natural. No bleaching, no deodorizing. Just pure oil with its natural orange color and pure earthy scent. It's also UV protected, bottled in a dark glass to keep it potent from the first drop to the last. It doesn't just mask your symptoms. It gives your skin the building blocks to heal your skin. Apply to the affected areas directly or mix a few drops to your daily moisturizer. Drop a comment if you have any further questions.